What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we have our October 2020 Fpvcrate SUB250 box. If you already know, I've been doing these unboxings every month, and I think we're gearing up to almost get a whole build, like a 3-inch build done, so this month will be exciting to see exactly what we got. I think we're missing, at this point I went through my stuff, we are missing a VTX and also missing a frame. So hopefully it's one of those two things in this month's box, and yeah, so let's go check out and see exactly what we got. And if you don't already know, subscribe and give this video a like and subscribe, I guess, to my channel, so you can stay tuned to all the unboxings, Fpvcrate, quad box, along with SUB250 boxes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this month's box. Alright. It's got some stickers. Cool. We also got a $25 gift card to Tracer product line. Looks like a... I'm not sure really what that is, so I'll probably check that out for myself. That's probably why it's this little scratchy code. So I'm gonna check that out. Maybe it's something new that I can put on the channel. And then, oh, that's a summary. Here we go. Looks like we got a TBS Unify Pro 32 Nano. That's nice. So I'll definitely go into a 3-inch type of build. And we also got an antenna. Lumineer antenna. Cool. So really the only thing we're missing now from the SUB250 box is the frame. And then I can go ahead and on this channel build it out and see how it flies and see how its first actual quad built from SUB250 flies. So don't forget to subscribe. If you're interested in picking up one of these boxes or any of this stuff, go ahead and I'll leave a link down below, and it will be in the fill link. It does help support the channel. So I appreciate you guys if you used it. But this is Viper FPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.